What's the best case of bad karma you've seen? My son was bullying a girl who had cancer and was undergoing chemo treatments. Apparently, my son had been making fun of her appearance and calling her a drama queen whenever she was in pain. I was in disbelief, but the parents sent me a video of the bullying and asked me to please do something. That's when I was enraged, because I never raised my son to be so cruel and ignorant. I called him to my room and asked him to tell me the truth. To my surprise, he acted like it wasn't a big deal. Yeah, we make fun of her sometimes, but it's just a joke. She's probably exaggerating anyway. When I asked him to apologize, he firmly refused and said, I would rather shave my head than apologize to that nerd. Well, that gave me the perfect idea. I twisted his ear and dragged him with me to the barbershop. Then I gave the barber $30 to shave everything off. My son loved his dreadlocks and had spent months on making sure they looked exactly as he wanted. He begged me to not ruin his hard work for something so pointless. Clearly, he hadn't learned his lesson, so I let it happen. One by one, his dreadlocks were cut and his head was shaved. He cried a lot during the haircut, but since I revealed the truth about the punishment, no one in the barbershop had any sympathy for him. Once it was over, my son looked in the mirror at his reflection